Here we go on now, nation people. You don't know me a concrete stepper, right? So I see something shaky go on YouTube. So right now the general out for step and broke off that clean. Because you don't know how I represent already. Right now, I come for address dancehall queen, Mr. Vegas. You see what I say? Because him don't want to be an artist, him don't want to do no new song, nor no video for the YouTube journalists them can talk about it and discuss about him video or him song. No, him not in a nothing like that. Him good. Him want to in this controversy, mix up business. Him act like him have too much fenemish agenda inside of him. Me not see him as a man because a man is about respect and integrity. I'm tired for telling you that, and him don't have none at all where manhood concerned. You see what I say? Him lost him manhood Gaza nation. So right now, him see a couple days after Vybz Kartel birthday, see? Him see the artists them and the people them who congratulate the man on his birthday, see? So 2 days after that a Sean Paul birthday, him run underneath Sean Paul page, post up picture, and I thought about Sean Paul as the king of dancehall. Because this guy is nothing but a box stabbing reviewer. He's nothing but a little show pony. Him is a certified and solidified jockstrap sniffer. You see what I say? And me personally see say him want to be dancehall queen. You see what I deal with? Respect my brother. But here we are going right about now. You see what I say? At the world, it's not a plan. Just watch what go on, carefully, Hey, yo, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already when I come for representing a full effective man. You don't know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Hey, yo, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me now. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people, you don't know me not easy, you don't know I grade my smoke and me not burn beady. Me step on this dancehall queen with my concrete stepping because I know it's shaky and I go break off piece right down there. Here what I say nation people. For sure you said, Mr. Vegas, him not have no pride, him not have no dignity, him not have nothing where real man carry. You see what I say? Is it the same Mr. Vegas who do collaboration song with Sean Paul? When the song hit big, Sean Paul didn't have him on the video, nor didn't give him no formal rights towards the song. You don't remember? And this guy come out and burn out Sean Paul and trace and go on the most way on social media about Sean Paul. But just because him want Vybz Kartel for see him or call him name or Gaza Nation because argument him all up. Take it up, my friend. An argument him all up. Let me tell you something, dancehall queen, Mr. Vegas. Vybz Kartel not see you, my brother, and him will not answer you. But you see, through me a concrete stepper, and I know you're shaky. I see you down a dirty, I go step on you and broke off piece of you. And I don't joke business me I deal with. I don't know lollipop thing. You was the one who come out and burn out Sean Paul because he never gain a rights on the song, he never put you in another video, nothing like that. He never gain no form of recognition, none at all. And you burn him out. But just because you see the type of congratulation or the people them a give Vybz Kartel and them shit there, you want your name for call, it's a new year now, You want you don't have no music video. You want your name for call. You want people to see because you act like you's a bitch. That's why my label you as the dancehall queen. Good. Me know you's a solidified and certified show pony and jockstrap sniffer. Because right now, my sister Sean Paul jockstrap you want to sniff man right now. Because you want to look a problem from Gaza Nation. Or you want to look an argument from Gaza Nation. We don't see you, my brother. We don't see you. You want to take over blogging? You see what I say? And you're a big artist. You not give the people them no song, no music video. All you want to come on the internet with would be a show pony business and act like you're solidified. Eh? This is a certified jockstrap sniffer, my friend. No gimmicks not dead about it. I'm not reason a lollipop with it. Good. Alright. A real way I represent. When you know I'm not easy already. A high grade of smoker, we not bun bead. You see what I deal with? Yo, nowhere over the world you go where people represent and talk about dancehall music. Don't get me wrong in a Gaza Nation, because we are not here to. Sean Paul have done enough for himself internationally for people recognize him as who he is. But in a dancehall, hardcore music, everybody knows that nobody not really talk about Sean Paul them way there. If you go talk about selling a record, selling an album, successful hit, and all of them shit there internationally, yeah, you have to give Sean Paul him respect because the brother do it. No gimmicks business, not dead about it. But when you talk about hardcore dancehall, my brother, Sean Paul not there nowhere near there. So in terms of hardcore dancehall, in terms of with the people them hardcore, they behind him, I support him music, or I support him individually for him lyrics them and him style and way him bring to dancehall. You know, have nothing like that, my brother. First thing, Sean Paul don't even have a dancehall anthem, my brother. So I don't know what kind of gimmicks business you're on, what kind of argument you want to create, and I don't know what kind of vibes you want. So my sister, yeah, from long time I ever show the people them, you know. You's a guy, you know, you're full of nothing, you know, but some fenimish stuff inside of you. This is a brand new year, my brother. This is how you want to start out the year. Eh? Because you're not going with nothing with the whole of last year. You know. I heard it. Alright. Good. Yeah, you're not going with nothing the whole of last year. This year just start. This is how you want to start out the year, my brother, right? This is how you want to start out the year. So, let me ask you something. The ladies, them not forgetting a highlight, my brother. You want to be a man and a lady, you know what? So you want to take over the dancehall queen, right? Because after that you want to do, you know, my brother. Because everybody know, you know, who you is, you know, my brother. You know what I mean? You're a box reviewer, you know, solidified show porn, you know, and certified jockstrap sniffer, you know, my brother. No gimmicks business, no dead about it, you know. So, through you want to look at argument now. Sean Paul was the man where you burn out, you know, for the collaboration and no acknowledgement, you know, with you on the song now in the music video, you know. You burn him out. But now you're ready for sniff on him jockstrap because you want to look at argument from Gaza Nation or you want some argument from the world boss that your name can highlight. You see what I say? You're tired, you're tired for not hear people call your name now, my brother? Because it has to be, you know. It has to be, it can't be no other way. You see what I say? It come like you're longing for hear people calling your name, right? But you don't care how them want to call their name, whether if it's a good thing or a bad thing. You just want people to call their name. What? You're a little kid, my brother. You're boring. Eh? You don't have nothing to do. Eh? You look so to me. You look like you don't have nothing to do more than just come out. Good, respect my brother. Then go up on the internet and try to stir up a bag of controversy. Yo, may I say it, and I say it for the last time. I said, you ain't nothing but a box reviewer, a solidified show pony, and a certified jockstrap sniffer. And let me tell you something, you know. I say, I look a blogger. We just start do blogging the last couple of weeks ago. You see what I say? And all the guys start to do blogging, it's because a lot of people in Jamaica, the kids them receive tablet, and through them receive tablet and have to do online schooling. That's all this brother you get internet, so you can even come on the internet and chat up your mouth. You got to talk about Vybz Kartel petty because him unsubscribe from Lava, and Lava keep him relevant, him music relevant. Being a prison for 10 years. What the fuck you chat about? Do my Cheski, where are you chatting about? You know nothing about dancehall? Do you know Vybz Kartel? Because you just start use phone, you just start get the chance to use internet, all because of back to school and online schooling. That's all you even get internet for run your mouth. You not even have no subscriber. And I don't know what the fuck you did there chat about. Let me tell you something. A Vybz Kartel make Lava, you hear that? No joke shit not dead about it. A Vybz Kartel give him all the highlight and the spotlight. No gimmicks business not dead about it. And if Vybz Kartel never run with Lava and Shorty, them never go up on him life and all this shit. Him uno have Gaza Nation behind him. You see what I say? Yeah, I'm in a response who the boss unsubscribe from who the boss subscribe from. But from you violate Gaza, you know you're going to get your head chopped off with it. Because I not laugh with it. I'm a concrete stepper. You hear that a 10-star, the general I represent. And I don't go Gaza where they ain't no other way. Watch. 10-star, general. Great. Watch. Yeah.